So we got this question based on current topic. Okay, now look at this. If one end of the focal chord of the parabola this, you know it is right side opening parabola same, okay, to which we have memorized result. Okay, okay, so this coordinate is what? 4 comma 0 focus. Okay, so one end of the parabola is 1 comma 4. Now look at this. Let's try to draw focal chord. You can draw anyway, it doesn't really matter. So P Q, so the point is 1 comma 4. Okay, so suppose it is 1 comma 4, and then you have to find focal length. Focal length of means the length of focal chord, so we have to find PQ. Okay, now you know that it is right side opening parabola, so y square equals to 4ax. Now try to recall how you have imagined point on the parabola. So P was what? A t square, correct? And then you got 2at, and here a is what? 4. So 4 t square 2 times 4 t. You know that we have to imagine 2 points, so both will look like same. So 4 t square 2 4 t, and parameter should be 1 1 and 2 2, correct? Now look at this, how we will get the result done. So I know that in reality P is 1 comma 4, so you can compare this, but you have to take intersection, because if you compare x you will get two values of t1. If you'll compare y you will get one value of t1, so you should go with comparing y. Okay, so can I write 2 times 4 t1 equals 4? So this thing gone, so t1 we got as 1 by 2, correct? So we got first parametric thing. Now you also know that the relationship between the parametric coordinates of focal chord when the parabola is right side opening is t1 t2 equals minus 1. So t1 is what? 1 by 2, t2 is what? Minus 1 equals minus 1. So t2 will become what? Minus of 2. Okay, now update your p and q. So you know that your already p is given 1 comma 4. Now go with q. So parametric coordinate is minus 2. So substitute minus 2 over here. It will become 4. So 4 4s are 16. Now it will become minus of 16. Okay. Now let's find out the distance PQ. So PQ will be what? Root over this 16 minus 1. So 16 minus 1, 15, 15 square, 2 to 5. Now, so this thing will become what? 4 minus minus 16. So it will become plus 16. So it is 20. 20 square is 400. Okay, now you can simplify things. 625. So it is 25 units. I hope now you can solve this kind of questions, and also be very careful that you have to take 80 square, okay, and 280. You cannot go with direct t square, because right now if you'll observe you don't have problem with this a, but the result that you have derived, this you have derived because of 80 square and 280. Okay, So to use that concept, you have to take parametric coordinates as the standard one. Okay, otherwise what you should do, just simplify this thing. Like just imagine a point as t square and 4t, and then same as for q, go with t1 t2, and you can compare the slopes. Okay, I hope idea is clear.